Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preshy Godwin. In today's video, we're going to learn on how to make money with Google. So I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate and translate words and make money with it. And I'm going to take you to the marketplace where you can sell all those words you translated. And I will show you how to place your gig and how to do your order and how to make money in those websites. And also the bonus tips here is that I'm going to show you 2 legit websites that you can actually make money. I'm going to take you also step by steps on how you're going to achieve this goal. So do stay tuned to the end of the video so you won't miss out any vital information. If today is your first time visiting my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of videos, you'll be updated. Guys, today we're going to use Google to make money. So what we're going to do is to come down to Google, type in Google Translate. It will take you direct to this page. So you have to translate from English to Spanish, not just English to Spanish. You can translate from English to any other language you feel like to translate to. It's much here. Any language you just feel like to translate, you translate it to. But we're going to use Spanish. Not only English you can still translate from. You can translate from any language to any language of your choice. So we're going to use English to Spanish today. For example, you put in I am coming to your house. Alright, I'm coming to your house. It has already translated to the Spanish. This is exactly I'm coming to your house. So it's good for freelancers. You can sell it as a gig. There are so many people using this to make money. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can make money with this Google Translate. Let's go down to where we can make money with it. Alright, the first website you're going to use today is called SEOclear.com, or you can call it SEO Marketplace. So what you have to do is to go down to Google, type in SEOclear.com. It will redirect you to the registration page. When you go there, put in your email, your password, send it. They're going to send you code in your email. So once they send you code, go to your email, copy the code, put it in the registration page and click continue. You see that they will take you direct to your dashboard. So when you come to your dashboard, this is how it will look like. So when you come to this place, like the translation we did, we're going to check what people are making with that translation we just did now, because this is very good for freelancers, people that work online. You can easily use it to be making passive income, make enough money in a day. For example, let's just type in translate from English to Spanish. Translate from English to Spanish. Click on the search button. It will bring out people that have been translating for people and how much they've been earning. Alright, look at it here. I will translate from English to Spanish and from Spanish to English. This should be English, and you're going to pay this person $30 for just that. There are so many of them here. I will translate the language from English to Spanish, $5. I'll translate from English to Spanish, $10. I'll translate 1,000 words from English to Spanish, $10. You see what people are doing. So once you translate for one person, you make your money. And here nobody tells you what you have to bid. You decide on your own. See how much I want to use to translate for anybody, because this is worldwide. So you look at this person, professional translation, English to Spanish, Spanish to English. So everybody can do this. And payment methods, you can get paid by PayPal, through PayPal. You can get paid through credit card or crypto or bank. So it depends on anyone you want to use. You can still fund your account here if you want to buy a service from someone. But if you're selling a service, you're going to make money in this platform. These are people's gig. I just want to show you how it will come out when you post your own gig here. Translate from English to Spanish, and this is not only what they do here. There are so many gigs people say here. For example, you're a graphic designer, just come down, type in graphic designer. graphic designers. You see that there are so many people offering that gig too. They are graphic designer, they design logo, they do so many things they do here. So it's not just for translation, but I just use the translation to give you example on how it is. So it depends on how much you want people to pay you to do a particular service you want to do for them. So that is how it is here. This is the first website you are going to use to see how you can make money with it. And if you want to post your gig, what you just have to do is to come down to this place. Now we're going to be seller, we're not going to be buyer. Buyers are people that come in to buy these services, but we're going to be seller because we want to sell our gig. We have a skill and we want to sell it to people. So you go to seller, click on the seller. Alright, once you click on the seller, you create a service. Look at it here. You scroll down, you see where they say create a service. You create a service. Once you click on that place, you have to put in your telephone number for them to confirm you're a human, and you click on I'm not a robot. Once you put in this your telephone number, they are going to send you a code to your phone. Then you come back here and you copy the code, come back here and fill in the code, click send. You'll be eligible to post your own gig on SEOclerk.com. So another website we're going to check today is called People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a very good website that everybody can earn money. For example, they have so many gigs people can offer here. This for technology and programming, this for writing and translation. Alright, this is exactly the one we're going to go for: writing and translation, design, digital marketing, video and photo and image, business, music and audio. And they have so many categories in all these gigs. Like this writing and translation, this is the categories there. Creative writing, translation, this is exactly what you have to do here, exactly what I taught you. This is exactly how it's going to show you. Once you click on this translation, now you see people translating. Okay, let's just click on it so that you see typical example of what I'm trying to tell you. Professional translate 500 words from English to Arabic. And even in that Google Translate, you can still translate from English to Arabic, translate from any language of your choice to whichever one you want to. So you can easily sell your gig here. But let me show you translating from English to Spanish so that you see how much people are earning here by translating from English to Spanish. Let's just type in translate from English to Spanish. Let's search and see how much people are earning here. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, these are people that are translating from English to Spanish and Spanish to English translator. Look at this man is collecting $22 per hour to translate. This person is collecting $10 per hour to translate. And this accepted worldwide, so no matter where you're coming from, no matter your country, you can easily work as a freelancer in this website I'm showing you. There are so many websites you can work as a freelancer. You can work on Fiverr, you can work on Upwork, you can work on so many freelancers.com. They are all freelancer platforms that you can work on. So whatever you have as a skill, you can easily sell it to people to make money online. So this place now, if you want to post your gig, just go straight to post a project. So if you are registering, when the option pops up, you have to register as a seller so you can post your gig here. So here now I'm going to post, my own is to post project. If I want to hire freelancers, I can easily select the category. Select, for example, I want to hire freelancer, a designer. Let's just use writing and translation. Let's just use it to practicalize so that you understand exactly what I'm trying to show you here. Category is writing and translation, subcategory is translation. So let's click continue. Alright, now you have to put in your project title. If you're a buyer, this is just for buyers, not for sellers. So your own will not come at this way. Your own is you put in what you know, your skill. Let's just go back to dashboard. Alright, so in the registration, what you just have to do is to fill in your information, and it will appear in this form. This is how your information will appear: your name, what you do, your country, and what you can offer. Then your bid, how much they are going to pay you per hour. That is how it will come out here. You start selling. Alright guys, this is exactly how it is, and it's easy for everybody to make money. So thank you very much for staying till the end of the video. If today is your first day of visiting my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, you'll be updated.